Hi Nihal. Hi Shesh.
Hi sir, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How is going for you?
Sir, it is
Sir, yeah, I've run the files, like I've created the jar files and run it. Postman, it's giving a 401 unauthorized error. I've created the user with identity service. I've added the token also, but I'm getting a 401 unauthorized error.
Okay. So I will go
uh,
through all your issues and whatever doubts you have. Okay, you can share your screen and show me one by one. I will help you out. Okay.
Okay, sir.
okay. Sir. We'll share our screen after Mithun.
Hmm. So Mithan, you are sharing the screen now.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir. Wait. I'm connecting it. Like this, it's showing. So.
Yeah. So this is the project you have. This is a Spring Boot microservice
Okay.
written in Java.
Okay.
So you have to clone this code using your Git Bash or any other tool in your local machine, and then you have to run this application. So do you have experience with GitHub or
Like, sir, if I open, no, sir.
don't have? So that will be the
Yeah.
first thing which you have to learn, right? So go to
Okay.
our channel.
Okay.
I'll guide you step by step, right? So right, since you don't know GitHub, first you have to learn GitHub. Without that you can't do anything.
Okay.
So go to our channel in YouTube.
Okay, sir. Okay. I will. Good. Good. What's your channel name, sir?
Horai Technology Solutions.
Okay. This one only, right?
Yeah. So
Okay, sir.
try open it. You can click that in the top only.
Okay.
Click on videos.
What, sir? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Search GitHub. Search
GitHub. Yeah.
GitHub.
Okay, sir. Ah. Okay. Okay, sir.
GitHub. GIT.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. So these GitHub related videos
Okay.
you see and try to check out the code.
Okay, sir.
And if you are not able to do it by watching also, then take your help from other people who have done. Like I think Harita has done. Then Shreyash also. You have also checked out the code, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
can check with them.
Okay.
Okay. Once you are successfully able to check out the code, then you have to run the application. You have to.
Okay,
Do
sir.
you have Eclipse in your machine?
No, sir. I want to check it. I
You
don't know
need
it.
Eclipse also to do it.
Okay.
Okay. I can help you.
No, sir. No, sir. Thank you.
All right. So I will follow the list in alphabetical order. So next is Darshan. Darshan, are you there?
Hello. Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you update the status?
Yes, yes, sir. Today morning I cloned the repository and I was just exploring the code. I run the code.
Which repository you have?
User address component.
The addresses component. Okay. And
Yes,
what
sir.
is the state right now? Are you able to run the application?
Yeah, I have run the application. Okay.
Share your screen and so on. Yeah, this is very good. Okay. So did you have to make any changes in the
Yes.
package.json or somewhere? It
I have
ran
not changed anything right now.
it ran by default automatically, or you have to make some changes in the in any code
No, it run.
without any changes in
It
package.json.
run in the default.
Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you have run this. So the addresses. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. What is, show me the repository in your, show me the code where you have downloaded it.
GitHub code.
Show me the file system code. Okay,
Yeah.
that's fine. So user addresses component. See, so what exactly user will do is it will add its addresses. It will have current address, permanent address, okay, billing address, like that. So you should be able to log in, and after login, there will be one option in the drop down called user addresses or something, and then you should be able to do all CRUD operations using that user. So go to the UI now. You can basically need to register as a user, as a service provider or service consumer or trainer or trainee. But since you are a trainee, so you can better you register as a trainee, then log in using trainee, and when you log in, then you will be able to do operations on addresses component, address related activities. Okay. Now
There will be a
in order
CRUD operation.
sorry, come again.
I mean, there will be a CRUD operations.
Yes, yeah, there will be CRUD operations. So first thing is, to do this you need two microservices. Okay, one is identity service. I think you might have received one email already, identity service, yesterday. Did you receive or not?
Identity.
We have shared one identity service jar file to you.
Yeah, I have received.
You have to run that jar file.
Yes.
So that is basically a Java microservice. You just need to download it, and then in command prompt you have to run using Java command, Java -jar, and that jar file. Okay. So after you run it, then you should be able to explore the APIs, and also if it runs successfully, then you should be able to do the registration and login both. Once you are successfully
Okay.
able to log in, let me know. I will ask the team to share addresses microservice. So there will be one more microservice for user addresses. So once you run that user addresses microservice, then you will be able to do CRUD operation on user addresses page.
Okay.
Are you clear on the steps?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm recording this. I will be posting it. So if you are missing any point, watch it and follow the steps and try to do. After that, if you have any doubt, you can get back to me or anyone in the team. Some people have already
Okay, sir.
successfully ran microservice, so you can check with them. And you need MySQL
Okay.
database. You have to create user ID password with the same name as described in our YouTube channel, and you have to create all the required tables there. So you will get the table scripts also in this folder. If you are in, I see their scripts are not there, so I'll ask the team to upload the scripts here. So you can run those scripts and create the required tables.
Okay.
Anything else I can help you?
No, sir. Thank you.
So let me tell you one thing for this is for everyone. See, uh, the steps which you are learning here or following, this is what you have to do when you join a company as a software engineer. Okay. When you join a company, they will just assign you a project and they will tell you on requirement and they'll say you implement it. You will not have any clue until you do these exercises. So you are lucky that you are getting this opportunity to learn and you are doing these activities. Once you do all these activities, it will be very clear how things work in a software company. And when you will have a campusing, interviews, meetings, and all, right? Group discussion, you will be able to answer all the questions which your interviewer will ask. Okay. So here we are not expecting that you know everything as I explained yesterday, but I am expecting you should be proactive and you need to have a very learning nature and hardworking nature. So you have to get back to us with your queries, doubts. We are here to help you out. Does it make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now I'll move on to the next person, Harita. You can stop sharing the sun.
Yes, sir. Sir, today I executed the jar file, sir, which is the identity service. Once, and after that I imported it to the postman and I also downloaded the postman collection and I imported it to the postman, sir.
Can you share the screen and help
Yeah,
me?
sure, sir. Yeah,
Okay. So please, everybody, get ready with your screen to share, and you can directly share and show me when I call you.
yes, sir. So, yes, sir. I downloaded the postman collection and after that I imported it to like imported to the postman, sir. And after that I created the here I created the user, sir. And I also got the one second. And I also got the token and I pasted the token and I pasted the token in the workbench and
So basically, don't paste the
yeah,
token in Workbench. You have to, when you are calling the
yes, sir.
login API, you will get a
Yes,
token, and that token you have to use when you are calling other APIs. In the
yes,
header, you have to set that token, and then you will be able to call other APIs.
yes.
Okay, good. I think
I pasted the token.
that's good progress.
Yes. Okay.
What else you have done? What is the
Uh,
next step?
I actually did until this. Now I'm stuck in the authorization process. What it is? I first did the employee and after the admin I need to go through each and everyone's to get the correct authorization. So I'm stuck in that one. So I did until that. I'll do it. Yes, sir. Tomorrow I'll be completed with the authorization thing. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, sure, work on that. And
Yes, sir.
why don't you help Mithane and Darshan, people who are not
Yeah,
able to do these things yet?
yeah, sure, sir.
So Mithane, Darshan, please get in touch with her, and you can complete your activities.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Thank- yes. Yes.
And do you have any question or any doubt you want to clarify from me?
Sir, if I have any doubt, can I text you later, sir? If I don't have anything at the moment, so
Sure.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So do we have to finish this before 7th June?
Sorry, Rekha, come again.
Do we have to finish this before 7th June?
That's right. So you have to finish it before 7th June. Because 1 week time is the evaluation period. So people who will be able to complete, they only will be eligible for the internship.
Okay, sir.
All right. D Silva, Alfred D Silva.
Hi, sir.
Hi.
Yes, I explored the repository and
Can
I
you
ran
share
the
your screen and
project.
show me what you tried to do?
Yes, the feedback. I don't know if I'm supposed to present the feedback right here or I
No, you
will.
share your screen and please explain so that I can help you on your
All
next
right.
steps and I can clear your doubts.
Uh, Meanwhile, anyone can talk. I will just try to fix it.
Okay, you correct it and then get back. Kanish, Kanish, are you able to hear me?
Sir,
Yeah. So have you started your activities?
sir, I received yesterday, but I'm unable to create my account for GitHub, sir.
What is the problem to create the account?
The button is not working after the verification, sir.
Can you share and show me?
Yeah, sir. I will share.
And if you have problem, you don't have to wait for the entire day and ask in the meeting. When you have some problem, you can message me immediately so that I can ask someone
Okay,
to
sir.
help you. And you have in the group itself, there are many people, right, who are already doing it. So you can directly talk to them as well.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm getting.
So this is rounding and rounding. It is not loading the page, you mean? What is the problem?
Sir, after verification, I am unable to create my account. It's not going forward, sir.
Uh, can you do one this? Show me from the starting what you are trying to do.
Yes, sir. I will show you. Sir?
Share the full screen.
Yeah, I will share, sir.
Show me the URL which you are trying to do. Use. Okay. This is the email ID you have sent us, right?
Sir?
This is the email ID you have sent us, right?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. To avoid error. Okay. Continue. Yeah. Enter your name.
So I ran the identity services. I created all the required tables for that. It was shared. Then I created the user also.
Very good.
I got the token. So I added the token in the original one and added it as auth token and added this. But I'm getting 401 error, unauthorized error.
Okay. So
Even
what
after adding the header.
what is that you are trying to do?
I'm trying to add the employee required skills one.
Okay.
Trying to add the
Which
employee.
user you have created? Show me the
Username. This one, the default one, same one.
Okay. So you are saying GTS employer required skill service. Okay. So employer.
I got the token over here. Yeah.
That's right. So employer is nothing but a service provider. Okay. So you have to add a role for this user as a service provider. Okay. Normally what happens is when you are doing this, you are creating a user through UI, then automatically multiple APIs are called and all the tables are populated with required data. But since you are calling the API individually, few data you have to create manually.
Okay.
So you have to add a role called service provider for this user. So go to your database.
Okay.
Show me the user. What is the user ID?
One second.
Click on that icon. See, third icon.
Yeah.
So where is?
It's loading. Yeah.
What is the user you have created?
This one, Ketana at Gmail.
Okay. So ID is 5. User ID is 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
yeah.
go to GTS roles table.
This one. Okay, this one.
So basically you need to create the roles here. So there is some script you have to run and you have to populate this table. Okay.
Okay.
So you can check with the other people, Harita or Somnath, they have already done. So you should be able to create the roles here. And after you create the roles, then you go to GTS user roles table. Then you have to make an entry here. So you have role ID in the index 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. User ID will be the user ID for that user. Role ID will be for service provider, and then it is a primary role 1. So you have to enter 1. So it is a primary.
Okay.
So once you do that, then you have to create the token again, and that token basically encapsulate these values. What is the user ID? What is its role? What are the permissions? Okay. Once it has all the related roles and permissions, then it will allow you to call the other API for required.
Okay.
So this is a security which is being implemented.
Okay. Yes, thank you.
Clear?
Yeah.
Ratna?
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Sir, actually, I got a mail one day back, but it was in the spam. I didn't check in spam. Then yesterday night, I checked the spam folder. Then I said yes for the Google Calendar. Then I got another mail with 2 folders. Just I think I have to download Postman or something. I opened the folder only. That I didn't do. I have to do. I did just now. I did Postman. So everyone has to do the same steps like any data analyst or Java.
So what is the repository you have got?
I just got like local postman collection.json file folder and snapshots
you are doing in Java or UI development?
Actually, I put like a Power BI and SQL. I didn't get any other information. Only that I got only 2 mails.
Okay.
I already shared my Power BI documents with you, sir.
Do do you have access to Power BI?
Yeah, I have free downloaded one. I log in with my daughter's one because she has a free version to share with you because without login then you cannot share the any other people. That's why I just log in. I can use that. It's my daughter's one.
Okay. So what you can do is you get in touch with Somnath. Okay. He will give you some.
Somnath.
Yes.
Sorry, who is that?
Somnath.
His contact in the group, internship
There in
group.
the yeah, like WhatsApp group, he will be there.
Okay, sir.
Or else you ping me, I will give his contact.
Okay.
So you can ask him about the database scripts.
Okay.
So you can create a couple of tables in the database, and then you can connect to your Power BI, and you can just build a simple report on that.
Okay.
Enter some data records and few statistics or few reports you can build. So that would be
yeah, please.
just to start with.
Okay. So do I need to download Postman and GitHub also?
You don't need Postman and GitHub at this point.
Okay, okay. So just
But
I'll
later on,
text.
but not right now.
Okay. So only I have to work on that after
MySQL
I get.
database, do you have?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So in MySQL database, you have to create one database and some tables as we need, and you have to. There are some insert scripts also.
Sir, it is MySQL or SQL?
MySQL.
Okay, okay.
Okay. And once you enter all those data, then you can build certain reports on that.
So I don't need to do all the process what you explained in this or yesterday's meeting. Just I have to go through. Once I get the contact, I have to ask him and I have to follow the instructions. And one more question, sir. Actually, I got today only. Just yesterday night 1 o'clock I opened. So do I need to submit tomorrow evaluation or will I get the time? Because it's very today already 6th now.
Yeah, you can.
In US.
Yeah, it can be applicable from today. Today's date to next 5 to 6 days.
Okay, 1 week time I will get. Okay, okay, sir. So I'll pin you. I'll check in this internship group only with Somnath. If he has, if I can find the number, I'll text with him. Otherwise, I'll text you in personally message in WhatsApp. Okay, sir. Thank you. Right now, I don't have any other questions. I'll get back if I have. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Rekha, you are done, right?
Yeah, so yesterday I got the email. I've just seen the code. From today, I need to exactly start.
So follow up with other people and let me know if you need any help.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm just sharing my screen. Yeah. So I also got the token, okay, and then I put it in the headers, right? This is my token. So I put it, and the status I'm getting as 401 unauthorized.
So what you
This
are
is my
trying to do? Show me. No, go back. So what is this post API is?
Yeah, I'm trying to send the request. Okay, and I created the user ID and all that, and then I got the token, and then I've put it here. But
You have to add a role as a service provider, because service provider is a job seeker who basically uploads the resume.
Okay.
So you should have a role of service provider, and after
Okay.
adding the role as service provider, then you have to do it. But at the same time, like to upload the file means you have to attach a file, right? And there
Yes,
are some
correct.
other headers and other parameters which you have to enter.
Okay.
can you go to our channel?
Yes, one second. Actually, I have subscribed in my phone. It is a different Google account. Yeah. Mm. Yes, sir.
Search by upload. I'm not sure if that video is there or not.
I don't think it's there.
Okay. File resume. Search resume.
No.
Okay. So in normal in YouTube.
Okay.
Go back to the home page of YouTube.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Search how to upload a file using Postman API. Via Postman request. Okay. So you have
Okay.
such kind of videos that you need to follow, and
Okay.
accordingly you have to create the request, and you should be able to upload. But before
So,
that, you have to create the role and then do.
okay. So, could you just brief me what all I have to create so that I'll remember it and note it down?
First, you have to create a role for service
Okay.
provider. I think I explained it in my previous conversation.
Okay. Let me help. Okay. Got it.
So I will post this video recording. You can follow that and you can do it.
Okay. Okay, sir. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Any question by anybody else? Are you all good? All right. So yeah, do spend good time for your all exercises, and try to do it as fast as possible. And you believe me, such opportunity to learn you will not get anywhere. All other companies, they are asking huge amount of money, and we are providing this training come intensive free of cost. So if you are able to take that advantage, this is the time to spend a good effort and time, and take the offer letter. Okay. I think Alfred, you raised your hand. Do you want to share your screen?
Yes, yes, I would like to share. Give me a second.
Yeah, I think Alfred has problem in network, so he's up and down. So what we'll do is I will check with him separately. Are you back, Alfred?
Yes,
You have net
I
problem,
want
is it?
to, but it seems that because I'm on Linux, it's now allowing to share the screens. So because I'm using Ubuntu right now, so when I want to share the other screens,
Okay, let's
it's
do this.
not
Let's do it offline. Okay, so that we don't consume others' time.
all right.
And you try to share it, and maybe what you can do is you can get in touch with any of these team members and just check you are able to share and you are able to do the conversation with them. Okay,
All
and
right.
once you are all set, then you can show it to me tomorrow,
Okay, no
or you can
problem.
ask any doubt or question in the team as well.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay, all right, so all the best to you all, and see you tomorrow. Good night.
Thank you, sir.